pieces I'm going to go into some detail is called Infinity. Now, this is a generative work, again, where we wanted to take all of the things that we'd learned about the kind of figure in motion, doing it this time in a real-time fashion, but then trying to make it go, well, forever. So in the middle of lockdown, we started streaming this live on our YouTube channel. That was going for 2 weeks, and then took that into various gallery contexts through, finally, a semi-permanent installation in Seoul. So this is what it looked like installed at 180 The Strand in London, which is this art space in the centre of London. So we've got these forms moving in real time, but we started developing them just on a studio iMac, playing with these forms, making a kind of character, a character parade, as it were, so we could cycle very quickly through, and then played with a console controller. So got the old Xbox, I think PlayStation controller, seeing if it was fun to control them. And then I also found a huge list of human names, so we could generate random names to go with it as well. Mr. Coco, Mix Geneche, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, ironically, and then making renders of it to see how it could look in a gallery. And then, because we just can't help it, experimenting more with kind of flower and plant variations. And some of the latest experiments we've been doing internally in the studio, thinking about how fabric simulation could work, to really getting into kind of increased levels of realism in terms of how a fabric folds onto itself and how it works in wind. And then, as I mentioned, we were lucky enough to install it at an underground station in Seoul.